In darkness, 4 astronauts splashed down early Sunday morning in the Gulf of Mexico near Panama City. That marked a successful end of a mission for NASA led by a private company, Elon Musk SpaceX, to take its astronauts to and from the International Space Station. It was the first of what the space agency calls an operational mission. For further discussions, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. Half a year ago, a SpaceX rocket lifted off with the 4 astronauts, 3 from NASA and 1 from Japan's space agency, who were sitting inside one of the company's Crew-Dragon capsules. On Sunday, the same capsule, named Resilience, safely returned to the Earth just before 3 am. We welcome you back to planet Earth and thanks for flying SpaceX, Michael Heiman, a SpaceX mission control official, told the astronauts. For those of you enrolled in our frequent flyer program, you have earned 68 million miles on this voyage. The last time that NASA astronauts splashed down in the night time was in 1968 when the 3 astronauts of Apollo 8, the first to orbit the moon and return to Earth. Less than half an hour later, the capsule was hoisted out of the water onto a recovery ship. Minutes later, as SpaceX personnel prepared to open the side hatch of Resilience, Mr. Hopkins praised the work of the company. He said, "I had just like to say, quite frankly, you all are changing the world." Mr. Heiman returned the compliments. "Your crew is really tribute to Resilience's name. We wish you all happy reunions with your families and loved ones, and thanks again for flying SpaceX." Shortly before 4 am, all 4 members of the crew had exited the capsule and were preparing for the trip back to land. So that's it in this video. Please like, comment and share the video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.